When I was young, vultures were everywhere, circling high above, perched on trees or gathered around carcasses. They were part of the landscape. Back then, I didn't think much of them, but today, I can't remember the last time I saw one. Where have they gone, and why does this matter? Vultures are scavengers. They don't kill nor hunt. They just wait, and when an animal dies, they swoop in, disposing of the remains faster than any other scavenger. In doing so, they prevent the spread of deadly diseases like anthrax, rabies, and botulism. Without them, the wild would be a much more dirtier and deadlier place. But in the past few decades, vulture numbers have crashed. In some parts of Africa, populations have declined by over 90%. The reasons: poisoning, habitat destruction, and poaching. Farmers sometimes lace carcasses with poison to kill predators like lions and hyenas, but vultures suffer the most. Poachers also poison them deliberately to avoid detection, since vultures circling in the sky can alert rangers to their illegal hunting. Globally, there are 23 species of vultures grouped into two categories. 1. The Old World vultures, 16 species, found in Africa, Europe, and Asia. They belong to the same family as eagles and hawks. For example, the white-backed vulture, the hooded vulture, and the bearded vulture. 2. The New World vultures, 7 species, found in America. For example, the turkey vulture and the California condor. But in this video, we focus on the hooded vulture, one of Africa's most threatened yet overlooked scavenger. The hooded vulture is one of Africa's smallest vultures, often seen near human settlements feeding on scraps. Unlike larger vultures that dominate carcasses, hooded vultures sneak in for smaller bites, but even they are disappearing faster due to poisoning, habitat destruction, and illegal wildlife trade for their parts.
It's a symbol or a sign. When you see it on the rope, people think that this is a vulture, maybe something bad is going to happen or something.
Vultures face another challenge: superstition. In many African cultures, vultures are seen as bad omens, symbol of death, or even messengers of evil spirit. Some believe that their presence means misfortune is near. Because of this, vultures are often feared or even killed unnecessarily. This false reputation overshadows their real role as nature's essential cleanup crew. When vultures disappear, its consequences are huge. Without them, carcasses rot for days, leading to an explosion of rats and stray dogs, both of which spread rabies and other diseases. In some areas of India, vulture declines have been linked to thousands of human deaths from rabies. The same could happen here in Africa. In some cultures, vultures are not just misunderstood, they are feared, seen as harbingers of doom. These birds are often associated with deaths and witchcraft. This negative perception fuels superstition, making conservation efforts even harder. Some vultures are hunted for their body parts, believed to bring fortune or enhance spiritual powers. These myths, combined with poison and habitat destruction, are pushing vultures to the brink faster than ever. But there's good news: people are fighting back. Conservationists are working to ban toxic pesticides, protect nesting sites, and rescue poisoned birds. Breeding programs are also trying to restore populations, but vultures produce slowly, so recovery takes time. Vultures may not be the prettiest birds, but they play an important role in the ecosystem. If we don't protect them now, we will soon feel their absence in ways never expected. So next time you see a vulture, don't look away. Appreciate the work they do. The survival of the entire ecosystem depends on them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's spread the word before it gets too late. What other underrated animal do you think deserves attention? Let me know in the comment section.